She look hard. Look at that bad boy right there. Wheels nicely wet. Nice little drip right there in the front, in the back. Nice and wet. She's nice and clean, besides the interior. But man, she looks hard. Woo! I love walking up to her every day. Yeah, boy, look at that. But look right here. Right now, I'm not feeling the wood shift knob. As you can see, it's really outdated. Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? Right now, I'm about to take out this shift knob. It's outdated. It's wood grain. It says so 90s. It says so early 2000s. I'm done with it. I'm fed up with it. I'm fed up with this trim right here as well, but that's for another day. Right now, I'm pulling off this shift knob. Online, the many tutorials that I have seen, people are pulling and tugging so hard to take it off. Let's see how it works out for me. Here I go. I'm gonna pull. Here we go. 1, 2. Dang, that was easier than I thought. Okay. Look at that. Old fashioned. Oh, I'm done with this. And just like that, here's the new beauty. Carbon fiber shift knob. M Division logo. So it should slip right in. There's a little indentation right here. And all you have to do is line it up. Common sense. And then I guess you whack it. I guess she's in. Oh, that wasn't so hard. No, so that wasn't as hard as I imagined. Jeez, people on YouTube. I'm sweating, but it's because of the sun. So one inexpensive mod that every manual car owner should get is the shift knob. It's inexpensive. You can find them anywhere to your liking, to make a new theme with your car, whatever theme that you're going with your sports car at this moment. Personalize it to your liking. It's pretty insane what you can get on the market right now in regards to manual shift knobs. So if you're suffering from an outdated shift knob from the 90s, early 2000s, 80s, then this is your time to just spice it up a little bit. And for those who own the glorious M3s that are coveted with M badges all over, or a special edition manual vehicle, or pricier vehicles that are maybe over 100K and you don't want to switch it out, no problem with me. I'm not trying to get under your skin, but I'm just saying to those who want a little bit more character with their current ride, it won't hurt. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful day wherever it's at.